Yep, this, as you can see, something kind of relevant. I did it. It went about ease. Anyways, I'm playing Snappy, doing a Snappy quest. I already did. The Agent Egypt one came back, so I just, I don't know. I did it again because I didn't feel like going it all again. And I actually wanted to have time to enjoy it. Although, since I didn't record the rest of them, yes, I'll be able to do that. I don't think I did the Pirate Seas one. I know I did it off camera, but don't think I remember doing any of it. This kind of is a bad thing as well. I think I do remember doing it. I don't know. I do the Wild West one on camera. Pirate Seas one I don't really care about. The munching sound effect. The munching sound effect though. I love that munching sound effect. Didn't mean to place that. No. Don't eat my Snappy. Don't eat it. I want to hear the crunchy sound. That was a loud crunchy sound effect. Wait. Oh, never mind. No more crunchy effects. Damn it, Snappy. Why did I have to do so much damage? And when Impaired comes out in Factories mode, I'll just do that, I guess. Same goes for Pakra. Yes, that new plant that I don't think is that good. Yeah, that plant. Pakra. It's not Pokra, it's Pakra. Oh, you guys want free lunch? Here's some free lunch or snacks. These things don't serve a purpose. Crunch sound effect. Enter crunch sound effect. That's probably the name of this episode. Enter crunch sound effect. These potions don't serve a purpose, so here Buckethead. Oh look, we have the Ghostbusters nut. Now he has a shield. Because he's a future plant. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. Crunch him up. Don't destroy my Ghostbusters nut. I have more crunches. That's a lot of crunches. You don't want to mess with too many crunches at once. Nobody cares about him. Nice. That thing gonna burst the grave again? He literally ate that entire thing and didn't burst up the grave. That's actually surprising. No. I was interrupted, like I am in every single episode I make. Enter crunch sound effect. Enter crunch sound effect. There. Well, what is this doing here? Oh wow, it sucked up a bucket. Too bad 90% of the people here don't have buckets on their head. I have a better weapon. So much more luck. There you go. Easy. Oh wow, look how many have buckets on their head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah. And And it only gave me one of them. Yeah, that sounds fair. Or they have Snappy, that just instantly kills them with the bucket on their head. What would you choose? I choose Snappy, especially when it gave me like 20 of them. Oh wow, another magnet shroom. Oh wow, I wonder. It didn't even suck out the stupid bucket. That proves how useless it is. What? Why? Then now they don't give me magnet shrooms. When Snappies or replacement magnet shrooms. I just realized, why is the chomp green? Is it like a Kirby ripoff? Okay, that zombie that's split into two heads. That zombie had two heads. That zombie literally had two heads. I only saw one body fall down, and two heads pop off. And they both popped off at the same time. And I'm pretty sure Snappy doesn't have an area attack. So, that zombie had two heads. Why did he have two heads? This level. Are you going to give me something other than Snappies? Be that I'd like another attacker that isn't magnet shrooms. Okay, when I mean another attacker, I mean a legitimate attacker. Like this guy, I can't even see his face. How fast he dies. We didn't aim for the right one. Why are these imps so fast? Stop being fast. These imps, I hate them. Okay. Say goodbye to your family. These things have no health. These things... He died. He's dead. He didn't get to say bye. He just died as soon as he went home. It's like, I'm just gonna go home. And then he's dead. How did that happen? I did not lose a lot. I did not lose that lawnmower either. So, here's that stupid wheelbarrow that's doing the thing. Oh, what do you do? Eat the imp? Yeah, doesn't really help. Well, that helps, I guess. Oh, shit. Oh, God. Stop him this instant. I do not want him jumping his imp over here. Or the bull's imp. How long of a neck these guys have? They have a neck the size of a tower. And I don't mean today. It has nothing to do with today. When I said tower, just saying. Oh look, bold. Oh jeez. What? No, eat these stupid things. They have like 2 health. They just die in an instant. These gargantuars aren't stopping. They don't care. Okay. Don't eat. That's just rude. No, just stop. Stop, Snappy. What are you doing? Snappy. Okay, there we go. Hooray. I only have a couple more minutes till my thing leave. And I only did half the stupid levels. If nothing's interesting in this level, I'll just skip to the end. Let something be interesting in this level, even though... Oh, God. Well, when I said I want another main attacker, when I said I want another main attacker, I was gonna say, shut up. I was gonna say Just when I need when I said I need another main attacker, it didn't mean 3 Peter is the only main attacker. Except now it's giving me 5 walnuts and snap peas. I'm kind of tired of them. Just kidding, I'll have to snap. Stop. Let me snap you. Let me do your chomp sound effect. Chomp. Okay. I think I have to make this in a 2-parter. Except I'll probably just do the last level on my time, and I'll play the Torchwood level, whatever. I'm really getting close to that. Okay, can you hurry this up now?